Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson. I'm back again today with another 9 trades. Today's date is October the 26th and I am using my new Pro Trader trading system. Now every morning I'm in front of the computer at 6 a.m. New York time, right where this vertical line is. I'm looking at all my different instruments here, taking a look at my daily trade plan, putting in arrows either up or down, whether I want to be buying or selling according to my daily trade plan. And then of course taking the trades when they look okay to take the trade. Now this Pro Trader that I added the super signal indicator here, this pop-up box gives an audio alert and gives you a lot of information, time frame you're on, instrument, and whether you should be buying and or selling. Love this indicator as it really helps to find the beginning of the up and down cycles within the market. Now this is great for traders who love to scalp the markets on the 5-minute time frame. You can easily trade all 3 trading sessions 24 hours a day. Please keep in mind that there's 4 things you need to succeed at trading. You need a lot of chart time. You need a lot of demo trading. You need a lot of education. I provide the education. And of course you need a daily trade plan. Now you should be buying more education every 2 to 3 months if you want to succeed at trading. Now as I mentioned, 6 a.m. I'm in front of the computer putting together my daily trade plan. Now we can take a look at it. I took a screenshot of it at about between 6 and 7 this morning, and all the trades I've taken was from the daily trade plan. I believe one of them I had to wait for another 30 minutes or so until things lined up to give either a proper buy or sell signal. Anyhow, they were all taken from my daily trade plan expert advisor. Would not trade without a daily trade plan or this expert advisor. It is a must-have if you want to succeed at trading. Okay, now we can get into these trades. The first trade I took was this Euro New Zealand. Wanted to be selling it, as you can see by the arrow. It's the only one I sold. All the rest I bought. So now I took this trade at this cursor this morning. It went mostly sideways, a little bit against me, and I closed it out here as I noticed it was struggling to go further down. That's the way the market moves. It's very random. So I closed it out just being happy with about 17 pips. It looks like those 17 pips paid out $1,050. Okay, moving on to the next trade, the Dow Jones. Wanted to be buying it. There's the arrow directly from the daily trade plan. Let's see where I got in at. Now, by the time I finally saw it, as I had some distractions this morning, talking to a trader, but when I saw it, I knew it was going to continue to give some more. So I bought it. So now the Dow Jones, that pays $5 on each tick. So I took the money, divided by 5, and the calculator says 57. So let's see if I can find 57 here. There it is right there. 57 ticks times the $5 times the lots paid out $2,850. Moving on to the next trade, the pound dollar. Now this one pays $10 for each pip because the USD is on the right hand side. So pound dollar. Okay, let's see where I got in at. Took the trade here, went mostly sideways, a little bit against me to around the goal line. That didn't bother me, as I knew it was going to go up and test this area of resistance. So looking at the money, this should be 32. There it is right there, 32 pips times the $10 times the lots, paid out $3,200. Moving right along to the next trade. Okay, Euro CAD, let's take a look at this trade. Another one I wanted to be buying, very clear. Let's see where I got in at. Started to make a move, everything looking perfect down at the bottom. I knew it was going to go up with about 95% certainty. So I did take the trade at this cursor right here. And I closed it out just being happy with about, looks like 51 pips. And those 51 pips ended up paying out $3,832. Okay, let's move on to the next trade. S&P 500. Here we go. Let's see where I got in at, first of all. Now I took the trade late, like the Dow Jones. And I was just in it for a short time. Now I took the money divided by 5, and the calculator says it should be 85 ticks. And there it is, bang right on. You remove the last digit. So 85 ticks times the $5 times the 10 lots, and it ended up paying out $4,250. Okay, let's move on to the next trade, the Russell. Another one I knew it was going to go up. It's a correlated pair along with the Dow Jones, the S&P, and the NASDAQ. So if you buy one, you can actually buy all 4, which is exactly what I did. Got in at the same time as the other 3. And this one here, what I did was I took the money, well, no, actually, it's $10 for each tick, so it has to be 46. There it is right there. You remove the last digit. So 46 times the $10 times the lots paid out $4,600. Okay, let's move on to the next trade, the pound CAD. Another one I wanted to be buying. There's the arrow. Let's see where I got in first of all. Looks like I got in right on the setup candle. Everything is perfect down at the bottom. So that's the setup your candle, and this is your trigger candle if you're using the super signal indicator. So here we go. Took the trade at this cursor and I closed it out just being happy. Looks like with 64. So that's 64 pips, and that times the money times the 10 lots paid out $4,790. Okay, let's move on to the next trade, the NASDAQ. Now the NASDAQ pays $20 for each tick, so I took the money divided by 20. Pretty much do it in your head here. It's 28. So let's see. Here we go, same as the other 3. I took them all at the same time approximately. Could have made a lot more, like around 76. But there's the 28. You remove the last 2 digits. So 28 times the $20 times the 10 lots paid out $5,600. Okay, let's move on to the last trade, which is crude oil. This one pays $10 for each tick, and looking at the money, it should be 122. So let's see where I got in at. Got in earlier on this one, did a bit of a pullback here, which happens many times. And I close it out here, and I close it out here, just being happy. Keep in mind, I'm happy when I see 200 or more pips and ticks, and today I figured it's got to be over 400. This one looks like it's going to give me a hard time to get 122. It's going from 120. Well, it's not going to let me do it. But anyhow, it is 122 times the $10 times the 10 lots, paid out $12,200. So another great day of trading using my Pro Trader system along with my daily trade plan. I added up all the pips and the ticks, and I knew it was going to be over 400. Grand total was 502 pips and ticks. And all of those pips and ticks paid out $42,373. So if your system is not producing on a daily basis like my Pro Trader system, well, I recommend you get your hands on it, and don't forget about the daily trade plan. Now if you look right below this video, you'll see 4 different packages, and I have a special offer. If you buy 2, I'll give you 1 for free. So you'll see right below this video, it's this package, the Pro Trader system. Each and every package I do charge $250. And my Pro Trader system has over 3 gigabytes of training, and you'll get an exact copy of my system on your MT4 platform. Now I'm not going to read everything here, but overall there's like 22 training videos, and they're about 30 minutes long each. Now if you buy, say, the Pro Trader system, and then of course if you get this daily trade plan expert advisor, which has 3 videos focusing on the EA, covering all 3 different sessions. So if you say you buy these 2, I'll give you 1 of the next 2 for free. So, other words, you can take either How I Trade Live, the advanced trading tips, with plenty of videos. There are now 20 training videos between 20 and 30 minutes long each. And of course, either that one, or you can take the Easy Trader system with the Super Signal Indicator. Now this has 3 training videos, 1 for each session, and it focuses on how you're going to trade with the Super Signal Indicator. This is what I would label a must-have, as I would not trade any system without the Super Signal Indicator. So you can put the video on pause, and you can read everything that I've been showing you here. And of course, if you have any questions on different ways the many different ways that I teach, for example, as in here, well, all you got to do is pick up the phone and call me. Here's my number. Now, if you live too far, well, send me an email. Remember, there's a underscore right here. Now, I do prefer to use Skype, so made it easy for you. All you got to do is click on this link. As long as you have Windows 10, we'll automatically have a Skype connection. And through Skype screen sharing, I'll give you a free session. I'll answer your questions, give you some tips and tricks, and keep in mind I do all of that with no obligation to you. So it looks like it's time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, should be tomorrow, I want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.